good? You good? Come on. Keep it coming, Darrell. Easy does it. He's on back. How you like, yeah. What year is that thing, Darrell?
39.
39 Cadillac.
39 LaSalle. That's how much they make a drop in the shop.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know the brake system.
You changed the oil in?
No. I ain't even had on the rack. I ain't even looked on it.
That's cool. Slotted mags. I dig it. It's kind of ZZ Top, ain't it?
Nephew or grandson or something. Heading to Nashville, you know.
I don't remember. They was in LaSalle.
Well, it was a Cadillac or LaSalle, but it looked like that, but it was convertible, you know.
Yeah.
Clint died in that movie, you know.
Yeah. I know what he's talking about. That's a cool car.
It looks sort of like that.
Was Kevin Costner on it? How you get the hood open there, Darrell?
Raise the hood.
Yeah, how you pop it? Ah. There we go. Look at there.
It probably need detailing on the hood too.
Oh yeah, we cleaned her up.
Yeah.
Little small block Chevy.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't go wrong. No, ain't a crumple zone on this old girl.
Well, all that up there, pretty good crumple zone.
Oh, yeah.
There ain't nothing up there.
No, this in here, they would just hose the dash off and resell it. That's awesome. Let's get some paint on the old 39 Cadillac. She's pretty straight. We're just fixing every little ding. We're going with a different color. Now, all the ugliest fix. This is what we call spot priming. You prime where you fix at. And you can tell she had many little fixes needed. As soon as Zane gets in with the paint, we'll wash it down with a 400 and tack cloth it, and we'll be ready to shoot. She's another step closer. Now we're gonna wash her within an inch of her life. And wet sand while we're washing. You can tell in the water, she's straight. But you gotta get all the dust and any fingerprints and whatnot off of it. She'll be in the booth and we'll let her dry. We'll get her in the booth, get her taped up. She's clean. And we'll let the old sun. The bad thing is, you can see them floating in the air. The termites decided to come out today out of the woods. So that's something we're going to have to watch. Now, they'll be all in this brand new paint job. Even in the booth, they'll get sucked in through the fan. Here we are. We didn't get to spray yesterday evening. It was too hot. I'm afraid it wouldn't do great. But we're finna go now. It's gonna be our base. That's a 70s Chevrolet color. What do they call that?
Frost beige.
Frost beige. It's white, it's just a creamy white. We don't have a cap on this gallon just yet either. We're probably going to spray it all anyway. We've got a rebuild kit coming for the DeVilbiss Millennium GTI. We're going to do a gun review on this Black Widow from Harbor Freight. The reviews are excellent. Our paint guy, Rep Zane, turned us on to it too. He's like, man, give it a shot. That's what we're going to do. We'll see what happens. So far, the Black Widow spray is great, but those cup things, I don't know how good I like them. It seems like it leaves paint in them, which we've never used them when we're doing them wrong. But it seems like it creates a bit of waste there. We've been putting them together so we don't waste paint. Paint isn't cheap. We may put our DeVilbiss hopper on top and see what happens with that. Time for the second coat. And our DeVilbiss cup will not fit the Black Widow, but the Black Widow's disposable system will fit the DeVilbiss, so we can't run that larger cup. There is a time deal with it that I don't know how much I like it. And maybe it's because we're not used to it, but it seems like the mix times in between are increased with these throwaway cups. And it may be a thing where the more you do it, the better you know. I'm sure it's a learning curve, but looking good. It's laying it down wonderfully. This is winding up the second coat. We'll do one more full coverage coat on the body and then we'll start with the candy. Third coat almost done. What we've got here, in our first coat of clear, we've got some metal flake. We've got a dab of the color of the car. So you end up with, see the pearls in it? Let's see what it looks like. This is after the first coat of candy shine. It's in there. I can't wait to see what it does in the sunlight. This is our third coat of clear. We're just about to wrap it up. And we'll wait probably 15, 20 minutes and we'll untape it. It's looking good though. It's too wet to take all the tape off yet, but I got in a hurry. I want to see what the trim look like. It's pretty slick. It's been about an hour. She's untaped. That looks awesome. I'm certain it'll be something I have to polish out, but it's hard to see the metal plate without the direct light being on it. Let me try turning my flash on. Alright, with the flash on. There it is. Pretty. Come look, Tay. See on the screen. I can't wait to sit in the sunlight. I don't want to get it out today, though. If we get it out today, dust will land on it and try to stick, because it's still a bit tacky. Pretty nice facelift for the little girl though, and you can see the way the angles go. You can see the glow from that mid coat.